Hi, I'm Dan with Cali, and today we're going to show you how to install the rear antenna mount on the 2025 Plus Toyota 4Runner. So for tools, you're going to want to have something to pry the rear hatch open. I'm using a traction board. You're going to need a 10mm socket with a ratchet wrench, a 1/2-inch socket, and a 7/16 box end wrench, as well as a small screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and remove this bracket first. We're going to use this to, again, prop the door open. We're going to use a small screwdriver to open the pin on the air strut, and then use a 10mm to remove the bolts. So to remove the strut, what you're going to use is your small screwdriver. You're going to pry that into this small clip. I'm pushing it a little bit up so that it stays in place. And then you're going to prop the door open, push the door up, pull it off, and set this down. If you want, you can leave it attached, or you can just drop it down. I'm going to use my 10mm socket to remove these two bolts. And then save the bolts because we're going to use these to install the antenna bracket later. So for hardware, you're going to be getting a air strut mount. You're going to be getting 4 5/16 washers, a lock washer, as well as a 5/16 nut. So we're going to be installing the mount by inserting it this direction like this, placing a washer, a lock nut, and then the bolt. And then you're going to use a 1/2-inch socket with the 7/16 box end wrench. Now that this has been attached, we're going to go ahead and attach the bracket to the back of the door. So now that's attached all snug. I didn't end up using any of the spacers. If you need to, you can use it as a shim to bring it out, to bring it back in. There is some adjustability there in case you need to get it away from your body panel. So now that the bracket is on the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and replace the strut. This board is going to fall down, and that's okay. Pull the screwdriver out, and you're all good to go. And that's how you install the rear antenna mount on the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as visiting CaliRaisedLED.com to get other cool products just like this.